Welcome at forextrading.com. Today is Monday. It's 19th December 2011 and right now we are talking about 5:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this analysis is all about predicting behavior of the market players, buyers and sellers, but it's not about predicting market movements. So I'm gonna talk more and more about buyers and sellers coming in, how to see the differences between real sellers coming in the market, if this is only a corrective wave or strong sellers at the market, and we're gonna see further drop. That's what I'm talking about at Forex courses and live video analysis. I'm not really trying to resolve the mystery here, if the market's gonna go higher or lower. I'm talking about probability and how to differentiate those behavior in the future to take responsibilities, actions. Right now we are looking at daily chart. You see here we see double top before we had a corrective wave, very strong, but the buyers were really stronger than sellers. That's what it's the stock market is about. The buyers will be much stronger during the from the market, from the beginning of the market, from ages. The buyers are much stronger because the sellers are weaker at this market. But if the strong sellers coming in at the market, the sellout can be strong. Right now the market isn't really sure if it's going to go higher and higher. We'll see when the market is going to hit another time at 1267 point level. Right now, after this double top, there is no succession in this new market area, and the sellers came into the market, but it's no strong seller situation. You see here buyers are much stronger, and there is no dynamics, no new sellers coming in at the market, so we might see buyers coming in at this level again. Let's see at 4-hour chart. How does it look like? You see it more what I'm talking about at 4-hour chart, that we have lower and lower points, but it's no dramatic new dynamics coming into the market, only some sellers, so it's rather a regular correction, regular wave of some sellers or some buyers taking profit from this wave here, and we might see new buyers coming in at the market soon. Right now it's a selling trend, a short or medium selling trend, but it might be changing. That's what I'm talking about. And then we see what kind of behavior we will experience when the market will reach this level I've mentioned, around 1267 points. At gold daily chart, we see here, if you compare sellers and buyers, and you are very objective and impartial, you see here sellers are very strong and the buyers were accelerating, but then the buyers market stopped. We had some correction, ABC wave here. It is more visible at 4-hour chart, and then market didn't accelerate so much and turn into the seller market again. That's what it's telling us, that this is a big flag at the market. We had strong sellers, but the buyers came into the market, but they were weaker than sellers before. That's why the market really came back to the selling point, and right now it is showing us it is testing very strong support resistance. When the market hit new lows, it might be accelerating again for a few hours, few days. A very fast acceleration, which might be profit taking for sellers like me in very short time. Few 4-hour candles or few daily candles like here. So it's kind of chart you take a bigger stop loss. It is much more risky because the bigger stop loss might be telling us that the one position will not go so good if it's only in one position you're taking in this month, for example. But in long term, if you're taking sure position, it will give you a sure, firm, big profit. So the market right now is in a downtrend, and if it will be accelerating from this point and showing us that it is going down but won't come back aggressively to those points, instead of it will be starting accelerating, about the test and how the market have to break this level to make an aggressive move and to make sure the market's going to go lower and lower. That's what I'm talking about at Forex courses and other videos. You might be experiencing some simple actions that might be giving you a very simple big or medium profit from this kind of action. Let's take a look at currencies here. The pound chart is much less interesting. I was talking about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, last month, that the market is less interesting at pound chart and much more interesting in euro dollar chart. So let's focus about this one. At daily chart, we see here a downtrend, which dynamics is accelerating. So that's what I'm talking about. That's what we are looking for, accelerating dynamics, but not at the time when the market is already finished its dynamics. But right here, if we take a look at 4-hour chart, a close look up, we see here the market did ABC kind of movement. You see here, it looks different and this kind of extended chart, but when we make it slower, it looks much more different. Look at the sellout. It is bigger at this chart. If you look at it at this way, and this kind of wave has, for example, 240 points, so it is a big wave at 4-hour chart, or medium wave, you can call it whatever you like, but it's not small. So this kind of close lookup doesn't really tell us how big this wave is. So it is important to look at the chart to see how the big waves are. And we had already an ABC movement, what I was telling about, and I might be showing how do you exactly take this kind of move at the Forex market, especially currencies, which is very easy to take a profit from this kind of behavior. If we make sure that market isn't really going higher and it's starting to go lower and lower, and right now it is repeat of this situation, only flags occurs. So if the market's going to go lower, it's going to make some another selling. So we might be seeing some new lows, and you might be taking some profits from this kind of action. Only it might be shorter than those two waves from before. So you have to be careful and you have to have a very big experience, and that's what I'm talking about at Forex online courses. How to take this kind of responsibility, how to take this kind of behavior from this example and the other ones and similar like this. So that's pretty much it for now. For this day, this week, I will be coming back to show you some more interesting videos with examples if I have more time. I hope to see you at Forex courses, or you might be seeing some more interesting video analysis. Thank you.